Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome to your beginner's full body workout that you can do right at home, no equipment required. Whether you're just starting your fitness journey or looking to switch things up, this workout is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First up, we've got jumping jacks. Stand tall with your feet together and your arms by your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs shoulder-width apart while bringing your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position and repeat for 30 seconds. This move is great for getting your heart rate up and warming up your body. Next, let's hit those legs with squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, keeping your chest up and your knees behind your toes. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Aim for 15 reps. Feel that burn? Time for some upper body action with push-ups. Place your hands shoulder-width apart on the floor, extend your legs back, and balance on your toes. Lower your body until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push back up. Too tough? Drop to your knees for a modified version. Do 10 reps. Let's work those abs with bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and your knees bent. Bring one knee toward your chest while twisting your opposite elbow to meet it, then switch sides. Keep alternating for 30 seconds. Feel the twist in your core? Now, let's target your glutes with glute bridges. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Lower back down and repeat for 15 reps. This one's a game changer for your lower body strength. Finish strong with plank holds. Get into a forearm plank position with your body in a straight line from head to heels. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Keep your core tight and don't forget to breathe. And that's it. A quick but effective full body workout you can do anywhere, anytime. Remember, consistency is key. Try to fit this routine into your schedule 3-4 times a week, and you'll see progress in no time. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment on how you felt after this workout. Stay fit, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Take care.